Look at that. Hello, welcome back to Take Awesome Barbecue on this lovely sunny bank holiday. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be rolling some lamb mince in some streaky bacon, which I got all from Tesco's finest. So that, for some reason the cheaper stuff just doesn't seem to have enough rashers in it, so I have to get the Tesco's finest. And I'm going to be putting that lamb mince along the streaky bacon, and then I'm going to be seasoning it with some Schwartz pork seasoning. It's got sage and onion in it. Now you're probably thinking mint goes with lamb, but it does. But I wanted to give it a bit of a roast dinner type sort of taste to it. So I thought I'd go for sage and onion pork seasoning. And also, if you want to know how much it is, it cost me £26.30 for all the ingredients. Not exactly break the bank sort of thing, but for what I'm probably going to get out of it, we're going to get quite a few of these out of this. So yeah, it's getting made. Alright, let's get that bowl ready for mixing and open up our lamb mince. Also, these have got 20% fat in them, so that's good for making these sort of things. Alright, let's get that mix in. Alright, let's get our sage and pork seasoning. Sprinkle a load of that on there. Right, now we've got that mixed in, let's open up the streaky bacon. So right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them all across here. Just like so. I've got two there in one go. And we get our lamb mince as well. And just literally put it along the length. Doesn't have to look perfect or anything. All we want is it to taste great. The great thing is, if I made too much, I can make some burgers out of this. Freeze it and do burgers with it for another time, or I could make some more of these. Right, let's get that out of the way. And then literally I'm just going to fold these, well not fold them, let's just roll them. Make sure I get it tight enough. And there you go. These are going to be lovely. Again, this is not my recipe, I've done it slightly different to what I've seen someone else do. They use pork mince. I was going to use pork mince, but then when I got to the shop, I ended up picking up lamb mince instead. So this could be a good mistake. But I love lamb. Quite a lot of people in the UK love lamb, and all around the world. Right, I'm going to do a load more. I'm going to speed it up so it's not boring for you guys. And there you go, as the barbecue pit boss would say, the miracle of time. There you go, all made. How many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28, that's almost like £1 each. Yeah, that's really good that. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be putting a little bit more of this pork seasoning over them. I'm going to go around the sides and everything. Get them on their sides. In fact, little tip. Ever heard of a chef say, season your board? And this is why. And that go on top, and there you go, perfectly seasoned. Right, let's get these in the fridge, and then when we're ready for them, we'll fire up the barbecue and get these on. Right, now the barbecue's fired up, let's get these on. I'll put some fresh charcoal on top to get some smoke, and I can release my tongs. Second best thing to do if you haven't got any wood to burn. Stick the lid on. We'll give it about 20 minutes and we'll have another check. Right, it's been 20 minutes. Let's have a quick look at these bad boys. Whoa, look at those. Hoo-hoo. Lovely jubbly. I'm just going to turn these over. Right, give these another 20 minutes. And have a quick look at them. Also, I've got some burgers and sausages going as well. So these come in so handy if you're running out of room. And quite cheap as well. I can't remember how much it was, but it didn't cost that much. Also another good thing to have. Take these off a sec. Right, get in the camera. Put that back on. Stick the lid on and give them another 20 minutes. Right, it's been another 20 minutes. Let's have a quick look at these. Whoa! Look at that. They look bloody nice. Right, let's get these off, let them rest, and then we'll do the taste test. And there you go. They look lovely. Right, let's cut into this. Look at that. A nice little smoke ring in the middle. Now look in the other one. Oh, look at that. They smell phenomenal. Right, let's go and do a taste test. Inside. Oh wow! So it almost has like a kebab taste to it, like doner kebab. Well, it's made of lamb, but yeah, it's lovely. And it's sage and onion rub, really nice. Very nice, juicy, and that sage and onion rub really gives it a nice flavour. If you like this video, please give it a like, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. It will let you know when I next upload a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.